Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to circle a word in Google Docs. So go up to Insert, Drawing, a new drawing. After opening the drawing canvas, go to Shapes and drag to draw your circle. So here it is. Click inside the circle, fill color, make it transparent. And after that, double click inside the circle and put your text. So I'm going to customize the font size and color as well. So impact and the color, you can change the outline of the circle. So from here, border weight 4, and as well as the color I'm going to make it, so here it is. I hope this video will solve your problem. If so, please subscribe in return. Thank you. Have a good day.